Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly, fan, top left bezel, and heatsink. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the card reader board ZIF connector. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the left USB-C bracket to the display enclosure. Remove the left USB-C bracket. Lift the card reader board off of the alignment pins on the system board and remove. Replacement. Insert the card reader board ribbon cable into the card reader board ZIF connector on the system board and place the card reader board onto the alignment pins on the system board. Place the left USB-C bracket into position over the USB-C connector on the system board. Replace the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the left USB-C bracket to the system board. Press the locking bar down on the card reader board ZIF connector to lock the cable into place.